Hey guys, so I thought I'd go ahead and do another what's in my purse video since I did switch purses because my beloved, most amazing purse that I ever got for Christmas needs to be repaired. So I did switch purses for now. This is the purse that I chose. It's a purse that Tracy was so kind enough to send me. So I am using this bag right now. Actually, when I went to Target the other night, I got one of those little Animal Crossing blind bags, and I ended up getting Isabel. So I thought I would put her on my purse because she's freaking adorable. So yeah, I love this purse because I love the colors. I love the size of it. It's nice and roomy. It can be crossbody, and it's everything that I could want in a purse. So, start with what is in, it's hard to do one-handed, this zipper pocket. I have some Icebreakers gum. Oh, what is this? Oh, I found a pair of my earrings. Oh my god, they're so freaking pretty. I need to wear these again. Okay, so I found those. And then usually in this pocket right here, I just throw whatever mask I am using and also some Sudafed since I had been sick, and Sudafed has been one of my best friends lately because I can't breathe without it. I'm just going to put that small stuff back into the pockets for now. Okay, and now let's get into the inside of the bag. Let's see. Start with the back zippered pocket. I only have two things in the back zippered pocket, and that is this key that I'm holding onto for my mom. It goes to a cabinet that we took from my grandma's house when she was moving. And then I have my peppermint oil rollerball back there as well. And then there's a second zippered pocket right beneath that one. And in here, I just have my little medicine. Is there anything in here? Yes, there is. My little medicine holder and a couple of Target receipts that I probably still need to scan on the Fetch app. I love this bag because it fits everything that I need it to, such as my Kindle. And then I have my little Friends planner. I'm not sure if Target still has those in the dollar section, but definitely check it out. They're only $3, and they had Friends, Golden Girls, The Office, and I think Schitt's Creek as well. I've seen a little bit of Schitt's Creek, but not enough to like consider myself a fan, even though I know that I'll love the show. I just need to like really sit down and watch it. Then I have my little Ipsy bag. I think this one is so cute with the little spell book and the ghost and the witch and the little I don't know what it's called right now, glass ball. But you guys already know I have some Neosporin, oh my god, Orajel, hair ties, nail clippers, eye drops, mini deodorant. There are some pens in there, some more Sudafed, deodorant wipes, you know, etc. I love this little bag. Oh, this is my Dollar Tree receipt from today. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but everything rang up $1. Not $1.25 yet, so I am very, very happy about that for now. Got a newer pack of Bactive wipes in here. I am still using my EOS Shea Butter hand cream. I have another mask in here. Also Alden's mask. My keys. Oh, my favorite flavor, strawberry airhead. This is a glasses spray, so if I'm out and about and my glasses, they look terrible right now, I will say, but if I'm out and about and they're really bad, I can just spray this and then wipe them off. Oh, a little stylus in case I want to use it with my Kindle. My Eugenergine that I swear by, that really does help with my psoriasis. Oh. I still have a little mini Christmas Snickers in here. My power bank. My camera, which I did recently check, it is fully charged, so I want to start doing videos on my camera again. My little Dr. Pepper lip smackers. This is the cutest little thing ever. And then my Stranger Things lip balm. I still have not... I'm so disappointed in the smell. I really wanted that maple syrup smell, but I still kind of want to just like dig out the actual lip balm and just use this for, I don't know, tiny things. My hand sanitizer. And my wallet, which feels so empty right now because usually this part is full of change, and I borrowed $1 from my friend and I paid my friend back in change, so I need to put some more change in my wallet just so I have it. And my little earbuds. I think these ones are so freaking cute. I just hope they last a little bit longer than the first pair I had from Five Below. Oh, I got this 3-pack of pens from Target recently. They're like soft touch. But they're like a really fine tip, and they all write in black. But I really, really like these pens. And then that was in the slip pocket with both of my little perfumes, my Treat Beauty lip balm, and my Versed conditioning lip oil. And then in the other slip pocket, I just have my little mini composition notebook, my compact mirror, and my cord for if I need to charge my phone on the go. That is everything that was in this purse. This purse holds so much. I love it so much. I'm so thankful to Tracy for sending me this purse. Like, she absolutely did not have to do that. She's also the one that sent me that Fossil purse that I need to use again. I haven't used that one in a while. I'm taking those off because I really do need to clean them, and the blur that's like right on one of my lenses is bothering me. So I guess you guys can watch me put everything back in my purse. Hopefully this box is tall enough. I'm gonna try to lower you guys, so give me one moment. Okay, hopefully, yeah, that should be good. I'm gonna try and get the stuff in the slip pockets first. Oh my goodness. Alright, and then my perfumes, my lip balm. Now I am going to leave out my Kindle for now because I will most likely be using it before going to bed. So I'll put my planner in my little bag in here, along with my wipes. And then I always put my wallet on this side of the purse. I don't know why. Just feels like it's the correct place for it to go. My keys. Lotion. And that, my glasses spray. Can't go without my hand sanitizer. I think I will put both of my masks in this little pocket in the front, and I'm going to put this inside of my purse just so that it doesn't accidentally fall out somehow. And then Alden's mask, and then my little candy, my little Dr. Pepper lip smackers, my earbuds, and my camera. And then I am going to keep one of my new little ballpoint pens in there. I think until I actually scrape out the lip balm, I'm just going to leave this out of my purse. It's just so freaking cute. Again, any fans of Stranger Things will get the reference. 11 with Eggo Waffle. It is such a good show. I cannot wait for the new season later this year. Like, I'm so impatient. I may end up watching, like, rewatching the whole series again before the new season comes out, which would also be a really good memory refresher. Stranger Things, remember with Chief Hopper and the Upside Down world?
Oh yeah, with that monster.
Yeah, with the monsters.
With whale.
Yeah. Yeah, Alden watched a little bit of Stranger Things with me, but, you know, I mean, I watched Scary Things as a child too, so I don't need any remarks saying he's too young to see it. It was perfectly fine, and he enjoyed it. He did really like it with me, so, but sitting cross-legged like I am, my feet are falling asleep, and I don't like that feeling, so I just wanted to get another video done while I was kind of in the mood to do so. So I'm going to throw all this stuff together. Not sure when you're going to see any of this yet, but again, keep your eyes peeled for my big Shein haul. I want to do a clean with me soon, and I have other ideas, and I'm trying to come up with more ideas. And if you guys want to see anything in particular from me, please let me know down below in the comments. What kind of videos are you interested in? Do you just want to keep seeing purse videos? Also, I have gathered all of the purses up that I am planning to sell, so I will also be doing that video very, very soon. I will make sure to be linking my Venmo, my Cash App, and my email address in the description of that video, so that if you see any purses or wallets that you want to purchase, you'll be able to do so. You can send me the money through Cash App or Venmo, but then I will also need you to send me an email saying, hey, I'm the one that purchased this wallet or this purse, and also email your address to me. So it's the easiest way I can think of to make it work, but we will make it work. So either way, I will talk to you guys again really soon. Bye!